Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, 3-minute series, lesson 49a, in which we will take the third rule of Nun Sakina and Tanween, and that is to merge Nun Sakina with others. Whether it is Nun Sakina or Tanween, the ending sound is same, therefore the rules are same because we are worried about what comes after them. So, if Nun Sakina is followed by one of the four letters, ya, waw, mim or noon, then you merge it with gunna. For example, liman, followed by ya, yasha. Generally, shadda is placed on ya, therefore you merge it. Anyway, the only thing is remember to do gunna. Double stretch, nasal sound. Repeat after me. Liman yasha'u. لمن يشاء من ولي من ماء من نعمة okay. But if Nun Sakina is followed by Lam and Ra, La, Na, Ra, they are very close, so Nun Sakina is sacrificed. And you have Shadda on the next letter, so you have to read it like Man plus Lam, Mallam. Repeat after me. Mallam. Mallam. Mir Rabbikum. Tanween is the same because the ending sound is n. So if Tanween is followed by Ya, Waw, Mim, Noon, you merge it with gunna. Repeat after me. لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ إِلَهٌ واحد عذاب مهين شيء نحن. And also if Tanween is followed by Lam and Ra, then you don't give the sound sound. For example, Yawmun plus La, Yawmulla. Alright, repeat. Yawmulla. Ghafurur Rahim. All previous cases were between two words. But we have exceptions. If Nun Sakina is followed by Ya or Waw within a word, then we do not do any gunna. For example, in Dunya, Bunyan, Sinwan, Qinwan. Those are exceptions. Let us take the third rule. What was that? Nun Sakina is followed by or Tanween followed by Ya, Waw or Mim, Noon. We do gunna. Lam or Ra, we don't do gunna, but we merge them. So we have learned first rule where we show the Nun Sakina followed by halqi letters, or second rule where we hide the Nun Sakina followed by one of the 15 letters, and the third, merge. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.